Hello, my name is Mindy, and I am one of the Adult Services librarians here at the library. Today I am going to show you how to use the Creativebug database. We will get started by clicking on Go to Website. Creativebug is a database that features over 1,000 video classes taught by design experts and artists, showcasing everything from art, crochet, jewelry making, to knitting and quilting. To get started, you will click in the box and type in your library card number, and then click Log In. If you have not created an account already, it will prompt you to make a free account, and then you will type in your library card number to get started. Once you have logged in, you will see this lovely page. It's the Creativebug's homepage. Let's start by searching for a class. You can do this in two ways. You can search for a class via keyword or by browsing all the classes within the database. Let's try to search for classes on crochet. I'm going to click in the search box at the top and type in the words crochet. Then I'm going to click on the magnifying glass to search. You can see that I received 99 results on crochet. There are so many classes on here to take. If you scroll to the bottom of the page, you can click the Load button to load more classes. If you see a class you would like to watch, click on the class available. I am going to click on Beginner Crochet. Once I clicked on Beginner Crochet, the video page for the class will open. You can click on the play button to view the video. You will notice that you can play or pause the video at your leisure. This is perfect for those that want to craft along with the video. You can also rewind, fast forward to help speed or slow things down. For those who are hearing impaired, there is a button that allows closed captioning to be turned on. I'm going to hit play and then click on the closed caption. I'm going to set it to English, and then you can see the closed captioning on the bottom of the screen. To make the video full screen, you can click on the two arrows, and we'll put the video in full screen mode. To get out of full screen, click on the two arrows again. If you scroll down, you will notice there are other features below the video. I'm going to hit pause, and you can just scroll down a little bit and see the various chapters that are listed. You can click on each chapter to see a tiny chunk of a video if you'd prefer. When you click on one, it will immediately begin to play on the screen for you. If you click on Materials below the video, you will see a list of materials needed to complete the showcased craft. If you click on Gallery, you can also see images from the video. So this will show you different steps used to make the craft. It's a great way to showcase what others have made using the video. If you would like to save the video to watch it again or to watch at a later time, you can click on Watch List. It will add the video to your watch list. The last button I would like to show is transcript. If you click on that, you will see a transcript of the whole video. You can also click on download transcript to have a downloaded copy of that. To see more choices on Creativebug, go back to the top left-hand corner, click on the Creativebug logo, and you'll get taken back to the home page. From here, you can explore all kinds of classes, either by clicking the Explore button or going to the top and hovering over one of the subjects to see what choices you have. Creativebug is a great resource for all crafters. Have fun and happy crafting!